Good morning for Dr. Mazura and also AR Faris as the panelists. Let me introduce myself. My name is Deandra Almaira Danil. My matrix number is 201502. Now I want to present my slides on our project one about wellness cabin or camp or we camp on our architecture studio 3. So I want to talk about the project first. So the theme is about wellness that relates with Japanese spa, reflexology, yin and yang, healing, and naturopathy. The location of the project is on Ladang 6 University Putra Malaysia near FBMK, and also the space requirements. It requires for 20 until 30 packs of multi-users, and also it's two-story building with semi-public residential spaces. The inside the building, we need to have a area for reception, one single and one multiple dwelling topologies, spa facilities, and a visitor center for to embrace the nature and also a recycling space. Next, the thing that I pick is naturopathy, which is a form of healthcare that combines modern treatment and traditional methods that employs as natural and non-invasive that promotes self healing. Uh, Naturopathy it treats a range by alignments and conditions with natural cures and remedies like herbs, and also helps us with types of acupuncture, natural nutrition, and exercise, also meditations. Next, I want to explain my concept, which is first my design approach. First, a building. I want the building that resonates positive energy and healthier mind through the users, where people will undergo different types of sensory attractions. And my design principle is rhythm. And next, my design objective, a spa space that stimulates the body and soul. People take a quick break from the busy activities outside where they experience healing from the design spaces in it. Because our site is near Kuala Lumpur, sometimes people living there is very hectic and the hustle lifestyle is very hard. And some people tend to brush off their issues and forget to rest in order to think. So this place is fit for them. Next, my concept explanation. The concept is it's only appropriate for us to connect it with the nature surround it, to provide relation between the body and soul, the nature surrounds it. I think animal often being used as the healing therapy. So the animals that I chose is horses because horses are they able to reflect on human smooth, and also horseback riding able to stimulate the body and soul and adds the sensory feel in it. And also, horses sometimes associate with luck, which is the chi energy. And also, this space will be like a rest only space, just like how horse take a break in their small barn. Next, I want to talk about my president study. This is my first president study, which is Naman Retreat Pure Spa in Da Nang, Vietnam. The reason why I chose this president studies because a lot of open spaces and also hanging gardens and the vertical landscapes, it gives like a pleasant play of lights and also sun shading for the users inside. And also it creates like a no wall sanctuary for retreat. And as you can see, the wind flow is um, very good for the area, also the building. And next, this is the Babylon Garden Spa renovation, also in Da Nang, Vietnam. The reason why I chose this present study is because of the great space use, and although it's quite small, and also maximizing the business area, but still expose the facade into the nature. And I really like the design with the natural stones. Although it's in tropical countries, it brings like a healy and very good energy into it. And also, I really like the stairs in it, and they bring with the natural materials like bamboo. Next, this is my last person study, which is Aigai Spa in Sao Paulo, Brazil. So the reason why I chose this building is because the room flexibility and also it provide enough privacy for the users inside. Next, this is my conceptual model and sketches. I took it from the head of horse. This is my conceptual model. Next, this is my conceptual space planning. So the space and public spaces, there's a quiet zone, and then the gather zone in it. And because actually from the main entrance is quite far, but the vehicle circulation, also the pedestrian is the same area. And this is the views and proposed space planning. And this is my space planning. This there is a few desirable view for trees, and also desirable view for the city view, as the typologist is quite higher than the below part in here. So the view for the city is very visible. Next in is this is the undesirable view because it view the pedestrian walk, and this is the front view. Next, this is my conceptual space planning. This is my ground floor and first floor, the single dwelling and multiple dwelling. There's a spa area that view for the desirable view, the trees area. And this is my massing, the sun path, the side building, and also my ground, single mass, and ABC that represent the entrance area, green recycle area, and also spa facilities. And the last one is this is my last massing area that represent this is the spa area, entrance, and also the green area for the recycle. And it's very good for because of the sun path also. Thank you.